Here's one more sheet for you to understand how to translate phrases into algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions are expressions which have a variable and they do not have equal to sign. Now, they have a variable, so we need to define a variable before writing an expression. We have four phrases here. First one is a number divided by 3. Second is half of a number. C is 25% of a number. And D is quarter of a number. So at this stage, I'll suggest you can pause the video, copy these four examples, try to write your expressions, and then listen to my solutions. Okay? Here are my solutions. Now, when we are writing phrases into algebraic expression, first step is to define the variable. Now we say a number divided by 3. So what that number is? So let's say let the number be x, for example. So we'll write here let the number be x. So you can have any alphabet, lowercase is preferred. Let the number be x. That means we'll replace number with x in all the cases. A number, that means x divided by 3. So say x divided by 3. So that is one way of writing. The other way is x divided by 3, right? Both are correct. Do you see? A number is x for us. Half of a number. So of means multiplication. So now you understand. So we did of means multiplication, which is that sign, and number for us is x, right? Let me write bigger one, and half means half, right? So we'll translate and write it as an expression, half of a number. So say half, and of means a multiplication. I'm not using multiplication sign because that gets confused with x, right? Times x, the variable. Okay, this x is same as the variable, half x. We could write this as x over 2 also. Both are correct, right? Now we have 25% of a number. So 25% means 25 over 100. Of means multiplication, and number is x for us. So that's what it is. So we can write this same thing here. That's literal translation. So we get 25% of x. We could also write this as 25 divided by 100 is 0.25. That is percent in decimals of x. Done. So that is how you translate phrases to expressions. A quarter of a number. Quarter is 1/4, right? Quarter is 1/4, and of means decimal. I mean multiplication, just put a point there, and number is x, right? So what do we get? We get 1/4 of x, correct? So we have 1/4 of x, and you could write this as x over 4. So that is how you can quickly translate all the expressions into algebraic expressions. You see, all phrases can be translated to expressions in this fashion. How easy it is. I hope you got the trick now. So take up a test in which we'll mix and match all the operators, that means addition, multiplication, subtraction and division, and give you a few to test it out. Okay, thank you and all the best.